Alright. See, we got carpentry stuff out. Got a whole bunch more of it sitting back over there. Having to do some woodworking repair on the house here. And this is what I got knocked out yesterday. Had to replace a whole bunch of rot. Over half of the horizontal stabilizers had to be knocked out and replaced, and then quite a bit of the rafters themselves had to be cut and then sistered, like that guy there. You can see how that one is repaired, and then that guy had to be cut and repaired. You know, quite a few of those to replace all of this fascia board, because that all had to be done prior to the roof people coming and doing their thing, replace the roof. I just wanted to try and get a record of what's going on, what I've had to do here. But this side is all done. I had to do the whole run. Just a whole bunch of rot and repair. Obviously the whole soffit's going to have to be rebuilt and everything at some point, but the major concern right now is just getting the new fascia up so that the roofers have something to nail drip edge to hopefully prevent this from happening again. And I'll go down to where I'm starting now. I got a whole nother run to do. So that's where that section stops, and that is the corner where like the laundry room starts, and then it goes to the garage, and this here is the kitchen. But that is all okay until we get over here, and this is what I had to replace over on the other side. See how that's all just rotted out? Damn near all of the horizontals are rotted on this run, and quite a few more of the rafters are rotted at the ends. So we get to do some reconstructive surgery on this structure and unfuck it. I've already started knocking out some of the rotten horizontals here and there, there. And I was getting ready to move the ladder, and I was like, you know what? Before I just jump in and do this like I did on the other side, let me go ahead and record some of this. Yep, a whole bunch of fun. That's what I got going on. Other than the tools that I'm using, I'm not really messing with machines today. I have to put on my carpenter's hat. But it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. Yay, rotten wood. I'm just about halfway done with this run. New supports, rafters sistered back together. It's getting there. Slow, steady, pain in the ass. Well, back at it. Got all the rest of the rot cut out, knocked out, and a good bit more of this rebuilt here. And I'm just finishing cutting to size and rebuilding the rest of it, and I can go ahead and put the new fascia on. But it is getting there. One step closer to getting the roof put on this place. Whole bunch of fun. And all the substructure rebuilt. Joists are all sistered up. Now we can put the new fascia on. And the new fascia board is going up. Got 2 sticks up already. I'm gonna have to probably cut another 1 or 2. And it's going up, almost done. Rotten aftermath. And all the new fascia is now up. How about that? We can get a roof put on it.